on the mark, get set, ready, go! What's up? Your morning, your hello, your sleepy, your better wake up. I'm going to Firestone to be specific. And this road that leads to Firestone also goes to Buchanan, Grand Bassa County. Right now I'm here at the intersection of the airport. We have the airport on this side. As you can see on the signboard, the airport is on this side and Firestone, Harbel, where I'm going, is on this side. So let's take a ride. Follow me. Y'all go, y'all go, y'all go. On my way to Harbel, like we are already in the terrain, and along the way I saw this greenery and I'm like, I got to get into this place, y'all. Y'all know Mother Nature. Earth is my name. So yeah, the green field. Liberia is blessed with greenery, trust me. And across the road we have the rubber trees. There they are. They are not yet big. I don't know how old they are, so I can't say. I'm not going to say something that I don't know anything about. But yeah, across the road we have the rubber trees. And I just thought it wise to get out, walk in nature. This is what it is, y'all. Come with me.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way.
Yeah, so here I am. As I said, I just came to ride around here in Harbel. I didn't come, with the mind of going anywhere specific. And on my way, I saw this dam. They have the bigger one. I don't know where it is. I will do a research on that. But yeah, take a look at this. So I just decided to get down and, you know, capture this moment, capture it. You know, this place, it has some kind of calm, peace, tranquility. Look at the landscape. Just look at this. It's just so peaceful. And I don't know, maybe I should have just come here to stay for a day and just take a walk around or something, but I'm going to make the most of this. I'm going to make the most of this day to be able to see, you know, what all I can capture, just enjoy the moment along the way. I'm standing in front of this church. I don't know the name of the church, but yeah, it's a cool spot. Has a cool place to sit. I wish I could just run down this hill. Can I run down the hill? Running down is nothing, but coming up is the problem. But let's see. I will walk to come on. I will not run. You ready? On the mark, get set, ready, go! Man, I'm so exhausted right now and I have to go back up the hill like I said. So I'm walking up the hill now and I'm tired. I'm tired. Hey, ayaka. But this place is really peaceful. It's so cool, man. I love the ambience, you know. Tranquility. Like I said, I love it. But I'm not going to rush to go up the hill now. Let me take my time. Because nobody, you know, gave me anything, pay me, or giving me a wall. I'm tired of people. These are working out on now. Oh my God. Wow. This was something. Don't try a Buna Corel. I hear some piano sound in the church, so I'm just going to cut it out here because I don't want the sound going in there. I'm out here at the Firestone golf course and I cannot go farther into this place because they have people playing games right now, so I can't go farther before the ball, you know, kind of hit me. It's dangerous, so I'm just going to stay right here at the opening here and yep, just capture a little bit of the front view. That's basically from here. Man, I love this place. I gotta be careful with that. Yeah. This is amazing. Okay, man, so since I cannot go all the way over there because the people are playing, I will take some, images, zoom in and take some images so that you guys get to see exactly what the place looks like. Ciao, ciao, Saije, I love ya. How do I say bye-bye in my own lady? I don't even know. Hey, I feel you. I want. What did I want to? That's shame on me. I think it's baba Eva. Oh, I don't know Yakune. If we Castle Government, that all I know. And I also know Japan. That one bad. Yeah, so I'm going to take a break right now. There's this stretch of land that I saw, again, by the wayside. And like I said, I'm just stopping by. Anything that catches my, eye, that's very, very captivating to me. I get down to see what's happening there. So I'm climbing up this place. I don't know why I don't know what it is, but it looks beautiful to me. So let's go. Oops. Let's be careful. So I saw this place, man. It's exciting and beautiful to me. So, wow, wow. What was that? It's freaking awesome. Awesomeness. We're done, and I'm just in awe looking at this place. I'm not going to go salad water there. I'm going to salad water there. I will not. There's no place that I want. Ready.